Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
How are you all? Hello. Good evening, Navdeep. Good evening, Karina, Madhunika. Good evening. So we are waiting 5 minutes so that others can join. But in the meantime, let's talk about your homework, your doubts. Anybody? If you have any doubts, you can ask. You might have done the work. Okay. Prathinov, your visiting card. It's Adhya Dental Care. It's nice. Looking nice. The food poster you have shared is also looking nice. Subtle design is also there. Nice. Text trap you have used. Excellent work. What about others? Anybody wants to share their work? Anyone? See, if you share the work, it keeps us motivated. It keeps others motivated as well. And also you will feel like, yes, you have done some work, because after seeing the design, if there are some mistakes, I can just note down and I can clear that doubts, clear that mistake in the class. But if you don't share anything, how will I know what's the issue in your designs? How can I able to improve your designs? So I request all to share your designs, and let's connect it with each other. Share your work, share your doubts with me. It's Lakshita, I think. Lakshita, right? Your design is nice, Lakshita, but see, in your design you did three colors basically: red, green, and white. So it will be better if you choose only two colors: red or green or white, or red, or white or red.
Okay,
Match
sir.
them. Yeah. What about others? Have you done with the work? Navdeep, you have Adobe Express Premium version. So in that case, of course, you can use, but see, the app section that are in Canva is will not be available. Means all the apps will not be available in the Adobe Express. So I suggest you to use both. Okay, try do one thing. As of now, do the work in the Canva, but after the classes you will understand the designing the apps and all the things. So after that, if you like to go for the Adobe Express, then you can go. Okay, but as of now, you have to be in go with the group now. Like all are working on the Canva, then how will you get all the points here? Okay. Anyone wants to share their work? See, in the first class, many of you shared your work, but today you haven't. So I think you haven't done your work. Have you done or not? Like, see, it's a trust thing now. Just do it. If you're done with the work, say yes, and you don't, you haven't, just say no. Okay, Raki, you have done the work. So please share it now. So I think most of the students, participants have also joined. Let's start. Here is the doubt of someone have joined with the name Dell. Basically, how to download an edited video from Canva. So that's our topic today, like the video editing. Okay, we are starting with a new topic. So my screen is visible.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So let's start with the today's topic, that is video editing. Okay, like how to edit the videos in the Canva. Very simple. We are done with all the interface, all the options which required to work in the graphics. But now let's go for the video. So here in the center we have the videos option. So just like social media, we have different formats for the videos as well. That is landscape video, that will go for the YouTube. Okay, mobile video is reels or YouTube shorts, Instagram reels, you can say. TikTok is not working in India, is banned. YouTube video and landscape video, the same size you will see. Like in before the below the YouTube video, you see 1920 into 1080 pixels, and the same is 1920 into 1080 in the landscape video. Same are there. So same with the YouTube Shorts, mobile video, TikTok. Sorry. So first you need to choose the design. Sorry, you need to choose the size basically. Like for which device or for which platform you are creating the video, YouTube or mobile, means Instagram. So let's choose one. Let's go for the mobile. So just like mobile, just like graphics, the posters, we will find here the templates of the videos as well. As you can see, templates are there. If I search here travel, I'm just searching. Okay. If I search the travel, here the edu means pro, and below are the free. You can see all of my travel journey. And if we go down, we will see more. Just select the one. Suppose this one. Select it, and you will see this, your video here. Like if I play it from here, again, see a video is playing in the background, the text and the pictures are also there. So we can change it. See, now let's start with the work. This frame, you see the bars, the lines are there, and these elements. So basically this portion is called timeline. Okay, because here is the timing of the elements. Here you can see 25 seconds, 32 seconds I am going to. So this is the timeline we called. Understood? Now we have this button, like this line here. So when wherever I place this line, the video will play from there itself. So it's called a playhead. Okay, timeline and playhead both are clear. Like what's a timeline, what's a playhead? Yes, no.
Yes, sir.
See, today you are not looking like energetic, everyone. So just gain your energy, learn new things. No, you are not replying to me. If you do not reply, how will I understand that you are understanding the things or not? Or if there are things that you might want me to and you know look into, so just share it with me, because what we believe is we want to give you the value. We want you to understand the things, not just like we gave the lecture and just go out, our work is done. No, we want you to actually learn this. So if you are not understanding, you can just let me know. Okay, now I see the thumbs up from you all. Let's move ahead, but just reply to my answers questions so that I understand the things that you are actually learning it or not. So playhead and timeline is clear. Let's add another template. It's not looking nice. Means things you will not understand here that I want you to understood. This one is nice. Selected this. Okay, and let me delete the earlier one. Yes. Now see, if I play it, one by one text is coming. Okay, only one by one. If you see it again in the full screen, here you can use the full screen preview option, work, fits, event, meeting, each one by one. Okay, so how you do this? Now in the timeline, you see the work fits, the timing of it is in the complete video from starting to end. And in between, you see this event here. Like here is the event because we want it to start from here only, not from the starting. So the timing is started here because the playhead is here and next is meeting. So all this is happening because of the timings of the elements. We will understand how the things, how to do this. First, understand what is happening in here. Okay, here one clip, second clip, third, and fourth. As you can see, it's changing. Okay, so how to do all the things? Let's see. So for that, let me just delete all the things, and now we will start from the starting, that how to do the things in it, because in the templates we can change, we know how to change the things, but how to do the video editing from the scratch itself. So for that we go to the elements only. Okay, now let's suppose we are working on the video of this program, because let's suppose we want to market the this program and we want to create a video that MSME government of India is organizing event, organizing the workshop on the digital marketing with AI. So let's see how to edit the video for that. So first of all, we need a background for the digital thing. So I search here digital marketing. I go to the videos here. In the earlier classes, we haven't used the videos because we don't need to. But now we are creating a video, so of course we need a video in the background. Here, choose a one video. Let's put this video. I just clicked it and it's in the frame here automatically, full frame. But if I don't want it in the complete frame, what I will do is I will drag it left hold and here drop it. Okay, not here in the main track, but here in the upper side. Okay, suppose if I want to include this video as well, so just drag and drop it above that video. Now you can see two videos are there, but the timings, as you can see in the first thing, is not here, but after I'm moving it is here. So these are called the overlays. Basically, the timeline overlays one element above the other and then other. Now let's add this video in the main frame. It is of Let's understand all the options above. First is ask Canva, that is in the AI, so we don't use it. It's not up to mark. Second is edit, in that we can remove the background of this, highlights, non fresco, more and more options are here, but these are in the pro. Basically, mm, okay, Sangeeta, we are focusing on what you say. Okay, nice. Then let's go around. The second option we have is split. So the split is like this is a 20-second video, but we want this 2 seconds here, 2.5, not after that. So we put our playhead here, click on the split, and it will be divided into two parts, one and second, 1 second. So we can delete the other part with the select it and click, press the delete button or the backspace button from your computers. So split option is clear. Next is trim. Trim is this part that we want a middle part of the video only, not the starting, not the end. So we can trim it down, or we can just want the first half, not the second. So we can trim it again and so on, that the last one, not the first thing. So that is the trim. Same as the split, same as trim. Next is slip. So slip is same like trim, that we can, like here is the slip. So this is the trim part. In the trimming, you do the thing here itself, but in the slip, you change the clips here in the center itself. The same thing it is, slip and trim. Next is BG remover. We don't use it because it's a pro. Next we have the speed option. The speed of the video, it is 1 normal and 1.5 is in the increasing speed. 1.75 to more increasing, and in the below, as you can see, if we put the speed of the video as a 1, the timing is 5.7 seconds here, as you can see below. But if we increase it, the timing has been reduced 3.8 seconds. Or if we decrease this speed, it is increasing the length. Next we have is color. So we don't use any color here, because if we use, it is changed, the video has gone. So because we can only use one thing, color or the video. Next we have crop. Same, we are done with the images. Flip, vertical, horizontal, transparency we know, position we know, the arrange or the layers. Delete option we have, so Control Z. Everything's clear. So we can trim this video to the here below itself, like left hold and drag again to 3.5. Also we can short it down, like here we know the zoom, in and zoom out from your touchpad or the mouse. So let's suppose if I put my cursor here, I zoom in, so it is collapsing. But if I zoom out with my fingers, it is increasing. So the length is not increasing basically. It's the time uh, part we are seeing in the more zoom way or more close way, you can say. Okay. So it's the correct part here. Next, how to add the another video is, suppose you want to add the another video. Let's go down the free video. I'm searching here, so I can just drag and drop it here. Again, 13-second video. Let's trim it down to 3 seconds. It's not like 3 second or 2 second or 5 second. It's I am doing it for right now to not look the timeline more bigger. Okay. So next we have is how to add the other text here. Suppose here in the text, let me add. I am understanding that do you need, let's suppose I write it down and duplicate it and add the another, do you need a digital marketer? Or we can write down, do you need a in the single and the digital marketer in the different box? Why is that? Because we can here shorten the timeline. Suppose do you need, we can see here I am playing it first. As you can see, do you need a digital marketer? It is in the full length, and also the video has been changed, but it is not gone. So it is because of the timing of this element basically. So we can here shorten the length to this video only itself, the first video, not the second video, like this. And if I shorten the digital marketer from the starting, and do you need also as well, and if I play it again, you can see, do you need a digital marketer? It comes one by one, right? I hope it's clear.
Sir, can you show that last bit again, please? How to make it come one by one?
Yeah, sure. And Amud Davali, the video is not clear, not understanding your point.
Yes, I'm not clear about this.
What thing? Which part?
First of all, the video, the picture you have taken selected, it's not clear where you are cutting and where you are joining it.
Okay. Okay. Let me do it again.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
See, let's first understand this timing. Okay. Then we will create a one proper video for that from the scratch. Okay. So here, the timing of the element, basically how I stretch it out is here in the starting, I put one, like here you can see the video starting from here, but the text is coming from here. Okay, I make it shorter, and same with the digital marketer, make it more shorter than this length, so that first it comes this, then comes this element. Okay, one by one, first this, second this, third this, that will we will write. And now if we can see, understood, one by one here,
Yes, sir.
done. So how I added, see all other options as you can see on the above part are same as in the graphics, the copy, style, uppercase, position, animation, effect and all. Animation we haven't added here because I have to do it again from the scratch so that others can also understand. See, more thing, I hope till now others have also understood. Let's go for a complete video. How to, do a complete stretch to end video in the real time. So for that, when creating a video, we need a script. Okay, we need a script. So script is like a text that help us to create a video in the future. Basically, today first script is like a direction for me. Okay, like what to do first, then next which video, then next which video, or how to create each clips of the videos. So for that, we do is we go to the chat gpt. Everyone knows about chat gpt, right? So on chat gpt, what we do is basically we I call chat gpt a Aladdin's lamp. Aladdin's lamp, understand? Like Aladdin's lamp, in that lamp a genie comes out and fulfills our three wishes. But here ChatGPT fulfill our all the wishes. Means we ask it anything, we ask it any question, we ask it to do any work, it do it for us. So let's say here, write a script for the video we in which we want to market, we want to show, let's suppose we want to show that MSME and Digital Dronacharya are organizing the online workshop of 3 weeks on the topic digital marketing with AI. So give me the full script, which clips to add in the background. I am getting all the ideas from it or itself. Which clips to add in the background, which text to add in the clip, and which audio or voice over to play. All the things here. Now we have to define the timing as well, like how long the video will be, between 30 seconds to 50 seconds only. Just enter it. Now it will give us all the content, the screen, on-screen text, visual, voiceover, everything. First, you can see, first visual is clip 1, fast cuts of struggling creators, low videos, views, confusion, laptop stress, scrolling reels, and on-screen text is still struggling with content and growth. Voiceover is this, it's in Hindi basically because I mostly use it with my language. So if you can also use your own language as well. ChatGPT understand most of the languages. Let me write it for the English. Give it in English and do not specify any particular creators or category. This workshop will be for everyone, and start with the workshop itself. Okay, I gave it another prompt. to make it look more specific and engaging. Clean premium intro, logo animation or digital theme background, on-screen text, 3-week online workshop, digital marketing with AI. This is a 3-week online workshop on digital marketing with AI. First clip. Second we have is professional visual, online learning, laptop teaching environment, on screen organized by MSME and Digital Dronacharya. Same voiceover we have. And the third and fourth and fifth all are here. So now what we do is how to create this video. Now see, first is clean premium intro or the digital theme background. So here in the elements we search for the video, that is digital. Let's search for the digital only. In the videos we will get the videos. As you can see, most of the videos are here pro. So in that case, what we do is we have websites for the free videos. Just like the images, we go for the Pixabay and Unsplash. And here we go for the Pexels. Okay. First website is Pexels for high quality videos. You can write it down. Pexels. Just open it. Here search for not for the photos but for the videos. Search here digital. Here I searched and all the digital things are here. Let me search here specifically digital theme, digital backgrounds. As we can see, backgrounds are here. Suppose this one, it is just moving, looking like a digital thing, right? We have more below as well, or we can search here specifically digital marketing. We will have more tools, more videos, sorry. See, more and more videos, anything you can get. Same like this pixels, we can directly search on the Google free stock videos. And you can see the first is Pexel, second is Pixabay, means Pixabay is also giving the videos, not only the photos. Here search for the again digital marketing. Here is the pro, but below we have the free versions, free videos. As we can see, this one is looking nice. And more we have here, means you can get more and more videos freely without giving any money. So let's pick a video here. Let's do this one. Keyboard means someone is working. Let's download it. Here, drop down menu on the right hand side, original, clip. Original, see, there is something, page isn't working. Some issues there from the website. Okay, no problem. We can get another one from the other website. Let me search here, person working on laptop keyboard. Well, let's see this one. Let's download it. It is downloaded. Go to the Canva. In the uploads part, we have the upload files and we will upload the video. We have the video here. We just drag it down here. Done. We just split it with the split option because we don't want the complete 12-second, 14-second video. Now what we need to write here is 3 weeks online workshop and this. So let's make it appealing by choosing first. See, we need to crop it down as well as some part. Now add the text, add a heading. Playhead is here, that's why the heading is here. So we need to move it to the starting by left hold and drag it to starting. We change this part here, paste our text, that is 3 weeks online workshop in one length, like this, and make it smaller like it. And the second one, digital marketing with AI. Just do the duplicate and write it down. Make it shorter, not bigger than the actual clip. Now, here we need to change the fonts to make them visually appealing. So first, we have 3 weeks online program. We use the small font, a basic font. Okay, let's suppose this one, or we have more options of this one. This one is nice. And for this part, we use a bold font because it is specifically we need to highlight. Yes, this one. And we need to make it bolder and bigger. So now this is our main part, that is 3 and digital marketing with AI. So we highlight it with a different color as well. So the background is dark, so we go for the bright color, that is yellow. We add the effect here, that is the drop, and a black shadow, so that the background is black and do not affect our front text here. Okay, if we play it, you can see 3 weeks online workshop, digital marketing with AI is clearly visible and looking also nice. Done. I hope now it's understand till now. Dipti and all. Okay, nice. Done. So our next step is to make it shorter. So that first comes the 3 week online workshop and then comes this one. But before that, first should come the video itself only. Now we add the animation. Okay, we in the 3 week online workshop, we go to the animate. We add the animation to make it look more visual appealing, as it is, you can see SN word by word. In the typewriter you can see it is typing of letter by letter. And more shift, merge, block, burst, we have more, so many animations here, so you can add anything. Okay, you can choose anyone. Let's suppose this, take one, skate. Here in the skate below you can see both enter on exit. So just keep it on enter only, not on both. And the intensity in the direction we cannot choose because it is in the pro version. But not a problem. In the digital marketing with AI, we choose a different animation. Okay. Only use 2 animations not more than two in the entire video, or in a single page, you can say. Okay, two animation, because if you use more than two, it will look odd, that different from one is coming from left, one is popping, one is shifting, so that will look odd. So only use two that are clean and elegant. So here, if we play it, you can see, let me do it again, it's lagged. See, done, but both comes at the same time. Before, I cannot understand which one to read first. So in that case, what to do is increase the length of the second one. And here, as you can see, the timing is here. In the center, you can see 3 week online work, not shop. So here, the next text should be started, not the bill before that. So it looks elegant. As now you can see, 3 week online workshop, digital marketing with AI. Again, one by one, not all the text at one time. I hope it's understood how to add the animation and the time, choose the timing of the text. Done. Nice. So here, let's go ahead. Next clip, as we can see, here is professional visuals learning online, or online learning laptop teaching environment, organized by this and this. So let's go for it as well. Search on the pixels. We search here online learning. Here we can see we have this one, this video, that's looking nice. But one more thing, we are working on the portrait, vertical, not on the landscape, but it is in the landscape, so it will cut it down. So what we need to do is we need to search for a vertical video itself, or we can just filter it out in the starting. Filters option is here. Here we choose the vertical, and we have the options. We see the vertical videos only. So what I suggest is, when you choose a video, as all of us are from the Indian, so always choose the Indian videos only, Indian person videos, not the foreign videos, because our audience, our clients will also be from the India. So that will look, so the people will connect more when they see the similar persons with them. Okay, so here, let's go down. This one is nice. The learning, online learning is coming here, so we just download it in the full HD, not the 4K, because 4K is not ported. Here, let's add the another video by uploading it. The video is here, so just drag and drop it after the first video, and it is of 10 seconds. So let's drag it to 4.6 seconds. We'll see if we need more or we need to cut it more. On-screen text is organized by MSME and Digital Dronacharya, only this. So we just add another text box. We paste it down. From the starting, obviously, we cannot see the text, so we need to put it above here. But still it's not visible because the background is white and the text is also white. Done. But organized is also not visible. So in that case, what we go for is a background indent. So how we add is, we go to elements, we search here shapes, we put a shape here. Okay, a shape is here. We drop the shape behind it and we make it smaller, the height, and make it in the center. The text is here. Put the text, write the text in a more efficient way. Like you can see, organized by MSME and is not clear visible, so we need to change the font so that it looks nice. And tone font will be good, or we can use a Roboto or Garrett. No, Laura, it's nice. Laura font is nice. We done. Organized by, put MSME and Digital Dronacharya in a one line. So it looks nice and with a different color as well. The same we did before. Here organized color we change to the white and the background orange color we change to the black. Okay, now see one more thing, that is, if I want to select it again, so how I do? So in the timeline you can see the black part is here, the black shape is here, so you can select it by down here. So you might face this issue that how to select. So you just need to go to the timeline, or other option is go to the position. Here, two options are here, arrange and layers. Go to the layers option. Now see, done. But we haven't added the animate option here. As now, let's play it here. 3 weeks online workshop organized by MSME and Digital Dronacharya. On 3 week online workshop, digital marketing with AI. So here, one more thing is done. One more thing is wrong. That is, when I read the first one, I write it down, but still I need to read in a fast manner. So if anybody is seeing it for the first time, it will be difficult for him or her to read it in a first go. So we need to increase the length of the first clip. So we are increasing it to 3 seconds at least. All the elements to the 3 seconds. And the second clip as well for the 3 seconds. It is in the 4.6 because when I read it down in a very slow manner, but the space is there means it stopped for a second. I keep it same for the like the first one to the 3 seconds. Here, as you can see, the timing is this. Need to keep it same. Now review it again. I hope it's understood, everyone. Prathanev is active. What about others? Okay. Now, see, we understood how to add the clips, two clips, merging them, adding the text, how to make the text visible if it is not according to the video. Now, we we also understood the animation as well. But what about the transition? There is a term called transition. So what is a transition? Basically, transition is also an animation while switching from the first clip to the second clip. So here, when you put your cursor in both the clips, both the videos, you will see these two options. First one is add media, as we can do this, add media, and second one is add transition. So add media is if you want to add another clip in between these two, so you can do it that from here. That will not work useful. But if you add here, click on the add transition, you see the transitions here. See on the center of the clip, it is moving. You will see different options that are moving from first clip to second. So these are called the transitions that are used when you switch from or move from first clip to second clip. So mostly I use is a dissolve or the match and move. Okay, when you click on it, here's the duration part. You can make its duration longer, like starting earlier and ending earlier in a slow manner. And if you make the durations like a smaller, as you can see 0.9 seconds, so it is more less. Now let's preview it. You will see the dissolving part here. See, both the clips were dissolved in between. So that's the transition. Now suppose as two clips are ready here. Suppose the third clip is also ready, fourth is also ready. Now next step is to add the audio here. Okay, we need to add the background music. So how to do this is we go to the elements, we search here, or we just go down, we'll see the audio option. Click on the audio. Here in the audio part, you will see the audios. But here mostly 80% audios are in the Pro. So is my audio audible? Like when I played the video, was it audible to you?
No, sir.
Like this one, was it audible?
No.
No.
No, sir.
No.
It's not audible.
No, sir.
Okay. So let me do one thing. Let me see. Give me a minute. Hello. See,
Hello?
my audio is yes. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unmute myself. Only one video audio can be gone. You can hear is my or the computers. So I'm going to mute myself and play the audio. You let me know if it's audible to you or not.
Yes.
It's audible.
Okay, nice.
Yes, sir, it's audible.
Okay, nice, nice. Thank you. So you here listen these two clips, two audios are there that are in the free version basically. So next we have at the in the pro, but here we have more in the free. We go down, we will see more pro. Most of them are pro. But to get the free, here in the audio part, you search instrumental audios. Okay, instrumental audio. Spelling is galat. Here in the instrumental audio, you will find more free audios as compared to earlier. As you can see, okay. So we can select any of the audio here. Let's
Sir,
put this
excuse
one I
me.
have added. Yeah.
Sir, how can we paste our voice recorder, sir, in this video?
Yeah, I will let you know. Okay.
Okay, fine.
First, we need to see how to add a simple audio file. Then we
Okay,
will go for the voiceover as well. Okay.
okay, thank you.
Yeah. So here the audio file is here. Let me drag it from the starting. And here, if we click on the audio in the timeline, you see the options here. First is split. We know what is split, and the volume of the audio that is goes up to 400. We can make it lower as well, and we can make it higher as well. Okay, that's our choice. Slip we have. So now slip is here a good option. What is this? See, in the entire timeline, our audio is here, but we want the audio from here, the same trimming part. So here trim option is not, but slip is there. So if we click on the slip, we can just drag the audio file. Like you can see here, I am dragging it. Okay, like from where I need the audio to be started. After that, we have the fade. That is the most important option in the videos or audios. That is fade in and fade out. So what is this? See, we started the audio in between. So obviously it will start from the high pitch and not from the lower pitch. So anybody can get a heart attack if they hear it in a sudden manner, right? Sometimes it happens to us as well. Like a video suddenly plays and our heartbeats get faster because we haven't expected that. So for that, we use the fade option, that is fade in. Then your audio will be like starting from a lower part to and goes to the higher pitch. And fade out, that is going down from a higher pitch to lower pitch. Always use the fade option. Okay, here in the audio, you can see a dark purple color and a light purple color in the starting, and it's moving upwards, and in the end it's moving downwards. So this is because of fade in and fade out. Next we have beat sync. It is nothing, no option is, it is in the pro basically, but it is not useful as well. Captions we have, if we have the voice over in our video, then we can generate the captions, but only in the English. It is more better. I hope it's understood as well, the audio part. Now, if when I added the point that 80% of the audios files are here pro, so what we do in that case? So in that case, what we do is we go to YouTube and we download the audio from there. Okay, so for like let me show you how to download the audio from the YouTube. Just go to the YouTube here, search for any of the song, any of the audios you want. But let me give you one instruction that when we are going for these type of videos, the text based we only go for the audio of instrument, not the lyrics based. Okay, let me share here instrumental music. We have more. Okay, or we search for a particular song is one live instrument only, means a song's only instrument audio is there. So how to download it? You just click on the share option, copy its link, and go to Google search YouTube video to MP3. Okay. Well, first website you will see. Click on it, paste the link here, convert, and it will convert your video, that YouTube video to a MP3 file. That an MP3 is an audio file. Click on the download. Here MPG layer 3 means MP3 file is here. It is downloaded. Go to the Canva. Again go to uploads, upload files. We have this one, free set type beat, one life emotion. The same audio we have downloaded. So here this audio, I see. Let me drag it down here, and it is done. It is changed. I hope it's understand. I hope it's understood, everyone. Everything's clear.
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Nice. So all the part is this: how to create a video, like text, animations, videos, audios, transitions, timing of each clip, how to do that thing, and how to get the idea of what you need to create and which clip to add is from the chat GPT. Basically, how to write the script. Okay, so in the script, one option is also there is a voiceover. That is means your audio is playing and in the back someone is giving the voice, or some voice is coming that is saying these lines and this line and this line. So we will see how to give the voiceovers, but first I'm giving you I'm giving 10 minutes instead. Okay, just see all the options, because first you need to understand how to do the work. Okay, how to work on the videos, then we will go for the voiceovers. Now it's your turn to create a video. Okay, just see the options, how these are working, all the options, and which option is doing what thing.
So we just have to see the options, right? We don't have to make video, right?
Right. As of now, you just have to see the options, but in your homework, you have to create a complete video.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Ekta. Yes, Ekta, you can extract audio from somewhere else and use it as well. Like I did it from the YouTube. So let's suppose if you have an audio, sorry, if you have a video and you want to extract the audio from there, you can also do that. Let me share my screen, and everyone else you can also see on my screen as well. See, my screen is visible, right? Anybody? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, we downloaded the video from Pexels and it has the audio. So when I click on this video, let's suppose if you have a video, you want to extract the audio from it, just upload your video here. And when you click on that video in the after adding it in this main track, you will see the audio tools above. So when you click on it, you will find the extract audio, and when we click, the audio will be extracted from it. Okay, so you can just extract the audio from the video as well. I hope it's also clear. Any other doubts? Can we edit audio in this? How would you like to edit the audio? Means what you want to create? No, Ekta, that cannot be done here. Okay, for that you have to go for the other tools. Okay, for to remove the background music in the video, or see, if you just want to remove the background music, you can do it. But if you want to sorry, if you want to remove all the music from the video, you can do it. But if you want a specific audio that is coming, then you cannot do it here. Okay, for that we need a more high quality audio softwares basically, so that we can separate the audio files that are using in the cinema lines or the movie fields. Suppose I am here giving you some instructions. Some instruction is giving in the video, and a background music is also coming. So you cannot remove that background music. You can remove both the audio only. My instructions, voice, and the background music as well, but not the single one. Okay, so any other doubts, anyone? Okay, I hope you are doing the work. Yes, nice, Lakshita. Check the options. And of course, we need to practice it a lot, because practice makes a moment perfect. Okay. In 3 minutes, we will start with the next option of giving the voiceovers in the video. Okay. Okay, so shall we start again, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. What about others? Are you here with me or working with your Canva here? Okay, I hope everybody is here on my screen. Let's move ahead. See, we are done with all the parts here. The next and the final part that's left is the voiceover. So let's start. See, this is the voice that we need to give to our clips, right? So for the clips, what we need to do is same, we go to the apps. Okay, like in yesterday's class, we search for the app. Here in the apps, we search AI voice. And let me give me a minute. Let me see one thing here. Yeah. Okay. See, in the apps, if we search the AI voice, sometimes here AI voice is there, like voice AI or AI voice 2 are different. But if we can't find the AI voice, what we do is we go to the elements, and in the elements we have the audio option. So in the starting, you will see this generate AI voice. So this is the same thing, and there is some thing that is not working. Okay, okay, it's not working. Not an issue. See, sometimes what happens is there might, and it's a digital world, so some technical issues you might face. So don't stress it out. Just go to the apps. We have more AI voice options are here, and now we don't search for the AI voice, we search for the text to speech. Okay, we have another tool for the same thing. Yes, we got the first one, text to speech here. We select it, and it is in 5 characters left only, so I will select the another one because I have used it earlier. We'll see the free one. Okay, let me go. The next one, text to speech, we have, and I think it's free. Let me see. Yes, it says 1944 credits left, so I can use it. So here what you need to do is upload the text, sorry, write the text here that you need the voiceover of. So we have the text, the copy it, we go to here, we enter the text here, paste it. Now see, whenever you are generating a voice, always remember, don't make any mistake of the hyphens, dots, and all the things. You can put the comma here, not an issue, but also work on the spellings as well. And if anybody understands Hindi here, so they can also write in the Hindi as well. But make sure each and every word clearly done. Okay, because if there's a single mistake, your audio, your pronunciation will be wrong. And we have a lot of more speech options here. Let's see, we have written down. Next is voice style, and you can see English, DG, Danska, more languages are there. Italiano and Turkey, Hindi, and more, and more Urdu and Tamil might be this one. I don't understand. So let's search here English here, and in the English we see the voice here. The calm English, energetic male, friendly woman, LA, voice del, few, female narrator, bossy leader, more voices are here. Okay, stressful, whispering girl, upset girl, means all the voices with the emotions as well, not just the AI based, but you will get them with the emotions. Suppose this magnetic man. Yes, done. So we have selected the magnetic man, but we can select here energetic male as well. Emotion we have auto, neutral, happy, sad, angry, fearful, and all the things. We search for the neutral, because we are just telling, making this voice neutral way. We are using the 61 credits out of 1944, and we just generate the audio. The audio is here. I heard it, but let me add it to the design first. You can see the audio is here. And now I am sharing the device audio. So that see, now I am sharing the device audio, so you will not hear my audio here. So let's see how the audio is.
This is a 3-week online workshop on digital marketing with AI. This is a 3-week online workshop workshop on digital marketing with AI.
I hope the audio was clear to you. Yes, done.
Yes,
So
sir.
when you listen to the audio, there was a mistake, right? There's a mistake. As you can see, the audio goes by on, but the clip has been already, uh, you know, ended it here. The clip has been ended here, but the audio is going on. So what we need, do here is we increase the length of the clip, not the audio, because we cannot reduce the audio. We cannot make it larger. We can also only do the things with the video only part here, clips only. So let's increase the length here. Okay, this is the audio here till now, and the text as well, and this background music as well. And if you can heard, the background music was more than the audio, the voiceover. So what we do is we make the volume of the background music a little lower, that is like 20 or 30, 25 is done. Now let's hear it once again.
This is a 3-week online workshop on digital marketing with AI. This is a 3-week online workshop on digital marketing with AI.
Now it's done. Finally, we are done with the voiceover as well and the first clip, and it's perfectly fitted. Done. Now for the second one, we go again here, copy it. We go to this tool, start again. We put the text here, energetic mail, of course. The same audio, same style you have to choose in a one single video. Okay, generate. File is here. We just add it to the design. The audio is here, so we drag it to the second clip. Okay, done. Now let's hear it. So here I'm.
This is a 3-week online workshop on digital marketing with AI, organized by MSME and Digital Dronacharya. This is a 3-week online workshop on digital marketing with AI, organized by MSME and Digital Dronacharya.
It's clear, everyone, how to add the voiceover, how to fit it according to the text, and all the part. Now see, in the second time when we played it, so here the audio was completed a 1 second ago. Like here the total file, but here 1 second is done. But we can just forget this seconds. Okay, not an issue. But if it audio, like suppose ended here and the clip goes on, then we will shorten the clip as well to make all fit accordingly. Okay, understand? Everybody, I hope everything's clear here. And for the tool of the text to speech or AI voice, you just go to the apps. Okay, I searched for the AI voice that was not here now, but earlier, yesterday, it was there. So there are some technical glitches. We cannot do anything, but we have a backup option as well. That is text to speech. So search it, and the first one I don't didn't have the credits, but the second one we have more credits, so we can use this second one. You can see this logo here. Okay, same option, same name is there, text to speech. So I hope everything's clear for the today. No doubts are there. Any doubts? Let me ask. Any doubts? Anybody want to ask anything? Till now, it's our third class. So any doubts, you can ask.
Sir, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Sir, in the starting of the session, I have mentioned a doubt, sir, how to download it. So once you explain how to create, would you like to give a small explanation regarding that? Like,
How to download what?
like we have created this video now, sir. What are
Yeah.
your so if
How
you
to download the video?
yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. I now remembered. So after completing the video, if you want to download it, just the same option, you have to go to the here, and when you click on the download here, you will see the file type. Okay, JPG, PNG, MP4, and more. So we are creating a video. So a video is always in the MP4, not the other format. So we just choose the MP4, and we have the quality option. So that is also in the Pro, but 1080 pixels HD is the highest one. Okay, I also don't use the 4K because 4K is not spotted in every devices. That's why 1080 we use for our personal videos as well. So we just download it here, and it will be downloaded.
Sir,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah.
So actually, I have done the same process for my personal video for a collaboration for my father's retirement.
Yeah.
So I have completed all this process. Like I've added audio, voiceover, some images, video. It's a combination
Mm-hmm.
of these formats. So
Mm-hmm.
at the end, what happened? I have tried to do the same process to download. As you said,
See.
share,
Yeah.
downloaded the format, everything. When I was clicking download, it is asking for money. Like it is charging 225 rupees to download.
Because you have used the pro elements of the Canva. Okay, that's what I
Features,
said, that
if
we
the
will
features
not use any of
indulged
the pro
are
elements.
okay.
But
If the features included are pro type, then it charges, sir.
yeah, if the feature is in the pro, it will charge you to download.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, Ravindra will share the syllabus.
Yeah, thank you.
Ekta, you are saying to landscape or portrait, images or videos can't be interchanged. Right. Of course, if you use a landscape video in a portrait manner, portrait size, so you have to cut the some of the side part to make it larger or zoomed. That's the thing. And yes, Lakshita, I have given the work as well in the bit in between. That is, you have to create the same video, okay, on any of the topic. Use the script from the chat GPT, like I have done with this same thing with the MSME in this program. So you can use the same as well. Okay, you can search in the chat GPT, and it will give you the proper scene wise which clip to use, which anything, any topic. Yes, you can also choose a topic of like, do you need a video editor? Then you are at the right place. We provide the video editing services. Or you can just say, do you need a editor? We provide the graphic designing, we provide the video editing, we provide the AI tools editing, everything. Okay, you can choose any of the topics. You just need to create a video in which you have to use these all the tools, that is ChatGPT for the scripting, AI voiceover, the background music, the clips, and all. So I hope everything's clear as of now. So at the final, let's wrap the session with the today's feedback. I'm hoping for the more feedbacks this time as compared to the yesterday's sessions as well. Everyone, see, only you are giving the thumbs up. If you write some good words here or anything you want to share, that will be more better. Okay, only two, three, only four, one. Okay, nice. That I wasn't expected. Okay, nice, nice. Now you are giving this. I am liking it now. See, what happens is when you give the feedbacks or the, you know, real feedbacks, if you give, that are very useful for us as well, or it keeps us motivated that yes, we are making some changes in someone's life, and yes, we are doing something in or giving some values and making someone better in their life. So that's why I ask all every time for a feedback. So thank you so much everyone. Thanks a lot. And yes, you have to practice it. Thank you so much. Yes, Kavita, today's session was a little tough if you are not aware about this, all the things. See, I think some of you are students as well with the age between 18 to 25, but some might be around 30s or 40s or 50s as well, might be. Right. The last year when we, earlier when we had the same classes, the summer boot camp, so we got a lady of around 60s. She was in her 60s. So we just thought, like, yes, when someone says, like, everybody says, age is just a number for a learning, she proved it. That yes, age is just a number. There is no time, there is no age to learn something. You can learn anytime.
Hello. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, I'm Srinivas. I have a small doubt, sir. In
Srinivas.
Canva, yeah.
Yeah,
In Canva, we find all these apps where we can download these templates, videos, and sounds, right, sir?
you're right.
Actually, oh, today I joined and I knew it.
Yes,
For
correct.
confirmation only, I'm asking.
Yes, yes. Okay. Yes, from there we can download from the Canva, we can download the templates and videos, and we just can't, don't download them. What we do is we choose a template, we change it accordingly with our work, and then we
Yes, yes.
download it. Okay.
Yes, sir. So that one.
Yes, yes, you can download it. But just use the free version. Don't go for the premium.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Anybody wants to say anything? Or let's just end the session here. Okay, then. Bye bye, everyone. Had a good time with you all. We'll see you tomorrow with the more energetic way.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
Bye.
Thank you, sir.